بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Our Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, اقرب ما يكون العبد من ربه وهو ساجد. What does this mean? It means the closest the slave would be to the obedience and mercy of Allah is when he is prostrating. When the slave is in the state of sujood, he is the closest to the obedience and mercy of Allah. There is no physical closeness or physical distance between Allah and His slaves. Allah the Exalted is not confined to any place, and He is not in every place. Allah created all of the places and all of the directions, and He, subhanahu wa ta'ala, existed before them. Allah is not in need of any of His creations. He exists now as He always did, without a place and without a direction. Amongst the names of Allah is Al-Qarib. This does not mean that Allah is with us here and that there's an actual distance between Allah and us. No, rather it means that Allah is Qarib, someone might say close, with His knowledge, not with His self. This means that He has knowledge of everything and nothing escapes His knowledge. And it is said, Al-Waliyu اقرب إلى الله من الفاسق. The highly righteous Muslim is closer to Allah than the major sinner, meaning closer in obedience and acceptance. It means that because of his obedience to Allah, he has a higher status to Him and his situation is better to Allah than those with a lesser status. So the one who is Qarib to Allah, he is Qarib or close due to his good deeds and his obedience. And this is not an actual physical closeness. As we said, Allah exists without a place. Allah is not like the creation in any way. So whatever you imagine, be certain that Allah is not like it. And it is said, Al-Fasiq wal-Kafiru ba'idani min Allah. This literally means the major sinner and the kafir are very far from Allah, meaning far away from His acceptance and the signs of His mercy. We ask Allah the Exalted to make us close to Him in obedience and to grant us His mercy and His acceptance. Ameen. And Allah knows best.